What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's talk about XRP in this video. You know, we've had a bunch of different XRP videos on this channel talking about whether this can get to a certain level and what really needs to happen. But honestly, once we see this thing happen, as long as we don't see a continuation of attacks from the SEC, I think it could propel XRP to launch into the trillions. And I'm talking about market cap seeing trillions of levels. And obviously we still need other things for to happen within XRP in order to see this fully expand to that level, fully grow to that level. But this is kind of that launching point. And I think once we get kind of comfortability, that's where we start standing in a whole different area, a whole different playing field. And for everybody that's invested in XRP, I'm sure you're excited for what's to come with this. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about XRP. Let's talk about the price potential. Let's talk about what's happening with the position as of right now. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out some of the links down below, it does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also in the description. It does help out a lot if you guys just want to be a part of it and just, join me in all these different areas. I have a Rumble account if you guys want to join me on Rumble, and I live stream over there as well as post videos on that platform. So feel free to support me on all platforms. It does help out. But let's talk about XRP. Now, I hold 1,788 or 87 XRP at the moment. And that's not a hell of a lot, right? It's about $900, $1,000 worth or so. And there's a lot of other people that have way more than me. I'm not looking to be an XRP millionaire, but I know a lot of people will be XRP millionaires, especially when you start looking at it in the trillions of dollars worth of a market cap. You start looking at some of these higher prices and what it could be used for and the different banks that it's implemented with and just everything that's happening there. Like I'm excited for what it will be, not just for me and my smaller potential or my smaller gains, but for you and your larger gains and larger amount of potential. Because again, I'm not going to sit here and sell everything once it gets to like $10 or something. As it does grow, I'm going to, yes, take profit. That's a given. That's what you do as investors, but I'm going to leave some in there. As a smart person, you leave something in that company so that if it does become something more valuable, if it does become something big, you're now a part of that bigger picture there. So I hold 1,787 XRP. And I plan on getting a decent return. If you guys actually want to see what that return is, I can do another like exit strategy spreadsheet video, or you can check out, I believe I have one already posted on this channel. But also, if you guys want your own exit strategy spreadsheet, if you're not familiar with how to take profit, then make sure you use my one in the Patreon, and you'll be able to get that and put in all your exit strategies for any position that you have. So let's look at XRP. Currently, XRP is standing at about 58 cents. It has risen quite a bit today, and I love it. Seeing it up at 58 cents shows, and somebody said in the live stream, they were like, I have a prediction. I believe it's going to get to 60 cents today, and it's getting very, very close to that point. Your prediction, I wouldn't say is absolutely spot on right now, but definitely is up in that range. Because we're hovering around 58 cents. We've been up 4%, 4.5% on the day. We're seeing the volume up 127% today alone, up at a $1.4 billion in volume. And understand that the volume that we're seeing overall, we're seeing 38 is what it says up top. I can't really fully see it, but 38 billion dollars worth of volume, and you're seeing $1 billion that's going through XRP alone. Keep in mind that majority of that volume is probably hovering through stable coins more than it is a lot of other positions there. But also you can have swapping that happens with stable coins as well as other coins. So understand that it means a little bit more. Like if you look at buying and selling in the stock market, it's always going from the dollar to whatever other position. So trading it back and forth from being worth a dollar or being or having it in certain stock versus being worth a dollar again, you're trading back and forth. So understand that stable coins are kind of a part of everything, but that volume itself overall, you're seeing majority of that volume, within those stablecoin positions, whether it's taking out of a lot of those investments or projects, or whether it's adding into them, as we're seeing a ton of swaps. Like if we look at the DEX volume versus CEX volume, it's going to be very, very low, right? But currently, we're seeing that, again, the volume is up. We're seeing XRP's volume, again, that's up 127%. The supply is at 53.56%. I always want to keep that, in your head, because the supply does change. They continually add more supply, which does factor into what the ultimate high price can get to. Like say if this is fully diluted with 100 billion coins that's there, well, now you have, maybe a lesser price that it can get to at a certain market cap. So that's where XRP stands. I mean, seeing the growth over the last day, over the last 7 days being up 9%, over the last month being up 12%, over the last year being up 25%, 26% is absolutely phenomenal. So I also wanted to see what was up all history. So it is up 9,000 or 10,000% throughout all history. Now, why do I say that this is going to make a move into the trillions? What needs to happen? Well, it's obvious, right? The settlement that's with XRP, the settlement that we need to have with the SEC is obviously the icing on the cake, the bigger picture, because we already have, the establishment with Ripple into banks and how they can get that implementation there. And then you introduce, XRP as kind of that major, secondary option to whatever they already have in place. And it's an easily transferable thing that it makes it just 10 times easier for them to use rather than what they have. So that's a whole nother picture. But the settlement is, or final decision is what really needs to happen to honestly see XRP get to this next level. We see all of this different talks, talking about SEC members, former SEC members, dropping different charges against the CEO and the chairman and all of that news there. But realistically, once we get a full picture around what this means, what this whole entire case means, and what type of contract law we can build up, what type of regulation it also gives us, an understanding of regulation, clarity, regulatory clarity on cryptocurrency, and what is considered a security and what is not a security, right? That's what we care about, and that's what will propel XRP to the next level. Again, I only have 1,787 XRP, and I'm sure you have 10,000 or 20,000 or 100,000, and I can't wait to see what your gains end up being. But I know we're probably going to play it the same way. It's just going to be my gains are going to be significantly smaller than what your gains are. So let's see what ends up happening. But either way, XRP seems like it's going to be worth so much, trillions, if I might add something to the table. Anyways, hit that like button, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are down in the description. Don't forget about my credit card YouTube channel. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. We have a goal of 2,000 subscribers. And once we hit 2,000 subscribers, we're doing a giveaway of free cryptocurrency. It's going to be Terra Luna Classic from what I understand right now. But if people don't want to accept Terra Luna Classic, then we can go ahead and send something else. So guys, hit that like button and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.